Welcome to our lesson about the Dome tool. Let's begin by activating the Dome tool. We'll go to Insert, Features, and scroll down to Dome. Just a couple words about the Dome tool. This tool does create complex shapes. However, you don't have much control over the actual shape once it's been generated. If you do need more control over the shapes you're creating, you're better off using a different method. Let me show you what I mean. Let's select this face. Here we set the distance. We can also apply an elliptical dome by checking here. And that's basically about it for the options that are available to us. Some of the surfacing tools give you better control over shapes that you're creating. For example, the boundary tool. We look at surface design in Volume 2 of the SOLIDWORKS course. But for now, let's take a closer look at the Dome tool to see what we can do with it. Click OK. Let's create a second dome. Insert, Features, Dome. I'll select this face this time. Let's see how the direction options work. We'll select this edge, reverse direction, or select this edge here. And as you see, the dome shape changes. Let's right-click and delete. And let's also uncheck Continuous Dome so that you can see the difference. Click OK. Let's create one more dome. Insert, Features, Dome. We'll select this face. And here we can select a constraint point. Let's select this point. And the shape of the dome changes. Or we can select this point, for example, and let's accept. Now let's right-click on Dome 1 and suppress it. Let's split this face here. Right-click, Insert Sketch, Offset Entities, Reverse Direction, 10 millimeters, OK. Let's exit the sketch. Now go to Insert, Curve, Split Line. Let's select this face, Projection Type of Split, and click OK. Let's activate the Dome tool again now. Insert, Features, Dome. We'll select this face, click OK. As I mentioned before, you can create a generic bulge, but you don't have a lot of control over the shape of the dome. And this concludes our lesson about the Dome tool.